concept? It is a dimensional analysis. What do you mean by dimensional analysis? It is nothing but the process of converting from one unit to another unit. For example, ನಮಗೆ kg ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ kg ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So from one unit to another unit. So that is known as a dimensional analysis. So which is very important for us for solving some numerical problems. Not only in chemistry, in physics also we are going to use this, or in our day-to-day life also. We are using a conversion factor. So feet ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಡೇಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So like this, so we have to convert from one system to another system. So that is known as the dimensional analysis. So here we must know the relation between that two. Means for example 1 kilometer ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Or 1 meter means how many centimeters. 1 hour means how many minutes, how many seconds. So those things we must know. Then only we can use this. Okay. So here one more thing we are using, that is nothing but a unit factor. For that purpose we are using one factor, that is called the unit factor. So what do you mean by unit factor? Unit and unit means 1. So that is 1. 1 is multiplied to any number is always the same number. For example 100 is 100 into 1 is 100. Means by multiplying this unit factor, you are not changing the value. Value ashte. So that is known as a unit factor. So this is used to convert from one system to another system. So unit factor is the factor which when multiplied to the any number, it will not change its value, but it can change its from one unit to another unit. System change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಡೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So like that we can convert that. Okay. So that is known as a unit factor. For example here unit factor means I will take with example here. 1 dozen. 1 dozen is ಎಷ್ಟು? It is nothing but 12 numbers. Okay. 1 dozen is 12 numbers. So therefore, if I write it as 1 dozen divided by 12 numbers is equal to how much? It is not 1 by 12 ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. 1 dozen ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 12 numbers ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. A number divided by the same number is always equal to 1. So this is a unit factor. So ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. Suppose for example 90 ಆಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ 90 ಬನಾನಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ 90 ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ. 90 ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So how many dozens? 90 ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? We are dividing with 12. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? Because of this. Okay. Suppose here 90 books are there. Okay. So if you multiply this, so this is nothing but 90 odd. 90 is in terms of numbers. If I multiply this with the unit factor, ನಮಗೆ 90 numbers ಅನ್ನು dozen ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So dozen ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ numerator ದಲ್ಲಿ dozen ಬೇಕು. So in the numerator we want that a dozen. So therefore 1 dozen divided by 12 numbers. So now what happens? These numbers cancel out. Okay. Then what is left now? 90 by 12 into 1 dozen. Now whatever answer we are getting is a dozen. That is nothing but 90 divided by 12 dozen. So 90 divided by 12. So it is 12 sevens are 84, 6 are 12 fives are. So 7.5 dozen. So concept ಏನು? This is the unit factor. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, 90 divided by 1 dozen 100 ಅದನ್ನು ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ಫಾರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, ದೆನ್ ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು. So these are some example I mean what you mean by unit factor. Or similarly the reverse also. It is nothing but 12 numbers. So 1 can be written as what here? 12 numbers divided by 1 dozen. 12 divided by 1 dozen is not 12. 12 numbers. 12 number divided by 1 dozen. 1 dozen is that is 12 numbers. So same, that is equal to 1. So this is known as a unit factor. These are called as a unit factor. So like this we can get a many unit factors. Meter ಮತ್ತು centimeter ಇರಬಹುದು, seconds ಮತ್ತು minutes ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay, inch and centimeter. Okay, those like we can get a many unit factors. Okay, so let us take one example here of conversion of any units. What do you mean by unit factor? A number used to convert from the units from one system to another system. Okay. Example I will take here of convert 5 inch into centimeter. 5 inch ಅನ್ನ centimeter ಮಾಡೋಣ. Convert 5 inch into centimeter. For that what you require? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಇಂಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, 1 ಇಂಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so we have to convert now 5 inch into centimeter to convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we want in terms of a centimeter, therefore numerator should be centimeter. Okay, so the relation is 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. So this relation ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. 1 inch ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2.54 centimeter. Now therefore 5 inch equal to, now I want to convert 5 inch. 5 inch ನಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? 5 inch into, now what is the unit factor? ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಚ್ ಬೇಡ, ಇಂಚ್ we don't want, so you should be cancelled. When it will be cancelled, it is in the numerator, so therefore if you are having a denominator inch, it will cancel. Okay, so 1 inch is a 2.54 centimeter. Now what is this is known as? This is nothing but a unit factor. 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch is nothing but a unit factor because of both are same. Okay, so don't go through the number, so you must get the relation. 1 inch ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.54 centimeter. So therefore 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch is nothing but a unit factor. So now what happens? Inch cancel. So this is nothing but a 5 into 2.54 centimeter. This becomes, so the answer of this becomes a 12.70. 12.70 centimeter, or write in the scientific notation. So we are having a decimals, only three significant figure, so therefore this can be called 12.7 centimeter. Okay, followed here how to use this. Okay, so 5 inch ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಚ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಇಂಚ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಡ ಅದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ so we can. So similarly one more example, or you try this. Convert the following. Convert the following. Okay, 3 days into seconds. 3 ದಿನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್? In terms of this you have to work. Days ಅನ್ನ you have to convert first into hours. Hours ಇದನ್ನ ಗಂಟೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ದಿನಗಳನ್ನ ಗಂಟೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then you have to convert it into minutes. Then you have to convert it into second. In that way you have to do. Second 0.052 milligrams into kilogram. 0.052 milligram ಅನ್ನ kilogram ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Third, 4.25 kilometer into centimeter ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so you have to convert this. I am leaving this as a homework. You have to convert 3 days into seconds by using what? Unit factor. Then 0.052 milligrams you have to convert into kilograms. 4.25 kilometer into centimeter. So that you have to. Okay. So one more I will take here. Liter. Okay, so to convert 2 liter into 2 liter of volume in a meter cube. It is volume. It is in a meter cube. Okay, I will work out on this. This is a number. So for that now, we know 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Or that is nothing but 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube. Okay. So this is 1 liter. So 2 liter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2 liter equal to how much? 2 into 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube. I have written 10 raised to 3. Why? 1000 is nothing but 10 raised to 3. Okay. What next up? So I got in terms of 2 liter in a centimeter cube. Now I want to convert it into meter cube. Okay. What is the relation meter and a centimeter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 meter equal to 100 plus 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Okay. Next, 1 meter divided by 10 raised to 2 centimeter equal to what? 1 unit factor. 1 meter, 100 centimeter. 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter is nothing but the same number. Therefore, it is 1. This is now unit factor. So therefore, now again meter cube. So we require in terms of a meter cube. Here it is meter. Take a cube on both sides. 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter whole cube equal to what? 1 cube. Okay, that's equal to 1 cube. Therefore, I will continue here. So, therefore, what is that? 1 meter cube divided by 10 raised to 2, it's the cube. 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube equal to how much? 1 cube is how much? 1. Okay. So, therefore, what is given is a 2 liter. So, I will use that now. Now, centimeter cube is anything. So, we want a meter cube. Therefore, 2 liter equal to 2 into 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube. Okay, which can be written as, I am now multiplying with the unit factor. It is multiplying factor now. Unit factor unit factor is this one. So that is 1 meter cube divided by 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube. Again, I know centimeter cube cancels. So what is left now? That is nothing but 2 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube divided by 10 raised to 6. If you take 10 raised to 6 in the numerator, you have studied law of indices. 2 into 10 raised to 3 minus 6. That is nothing but 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So this is the answer. I hope you have studied this. 10 raised to 6 milligram and 10 raised to minus 6 आगुत्ते. E to the power of m into e to the power of n into e to the power of m plus n. Our formula. So when you take this, what happens? That is a 10 raised to minus 6. 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. It is 10 raised to minus 3. So this is how you have to convert it. That is the unit factor. I have worked this. I have given 3 as a homework. You have to work out on that. Okay. So this is about the conversion. Very important, not only for in chemistry, in physics, or in our day-to-day life. ನಮಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. And already I think you have studied in 8th or 9th standard this unit factor. Okay. Okay, now let us go for the next concept here. It is coming to the, these are the some what basics what we require in chemistry. So we have started with the what is matter. Then matter can be homogeneous, that is mixture and pure substance. Homogeneous, heterogeneous, pure substance are elements and compounds ಅಂತ study ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Then how to measure that is SI units, some fundamental SI units that we have studied. Then prefixes, if it is large number, if it is a small number, how to express that. Okay. Then how to write the numbers, that is a scientific and a significant figure and a scientific notation. Then also we have studied what is accuracy and precision. Okay. Next is conversion from one factor, one system to another system. That is nothing but dimensional analysis, and we have studied how to convert that using a unit factor. Now let us come to the chemistry. It is a study of an element or atom. We are mainly when we call this chemistry means we will come across so many more terms. That is especially that is a common word we are using is atom. So what do you mean by atom? Who has given this concept? See, the science is always, it is a development. It is not a constant. Change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 10-15 ವರ್ಷ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸಹಜ. So in the beginning of 18th century, Dalton has given the idea of the atom. So he has mentioned that atom is the substance or the matter which contains a atom which cannot be divided, indivisible particle. That is further we cannot divide it. That is known as the atom. ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ನಾವು ತುಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಕಣಗಳು ಯಾವುದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ atom ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. And next he has given the next concept on this next postulates of the property. He has mentioned that the atoms of an element are having a same properties. ಗುಣಧರ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಟಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟಮ್ಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಗುಣಧರ್ಮ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಗುಣಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ನಮೂನೆ. ಒಂದು ಮೂಲ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಅಣುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುಣಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಅದರ ತೂಕ, ಅಣು ತೂಕವು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ atoms, when the compounds are formed from the atoms of a different elements. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೂಲ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ಒಂದು ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್, ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ದೆನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ atoms. So these four postulates are given. That is known as a Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. So Dalton's atomic theory, what he has given the four postulates. So in that first one is matter consists of indivisible atom. Matter consists of indivisible. It is only one word. It is only word. In the ಬೇರೆ divisible ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. Indivisible particle called atom. So matter consists of indivisible particles. They are called as an atom. Second, all the atoms of same element, all the atoms of a same element ಯಾವುದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ಗಳಿವೆ? All the atoms of same elements are having same properties. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಣಧರ್ಮಗಳು same properties including atomic mass. ಅದರ ಅಣು ತೂಕನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುಣಧರ್ಮದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಣು ತೂಕನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Third, compounds are formed by combination of atoms of different elements in a definite ratio. ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಕೂಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ವಸ್ತು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then fourth one, chemical reaction takes place by rearrangement of atoms. Atoms ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು give the chemical reaction. So these are the four postulates given by Dalton. So therefore that is known as the Dalton's atomic theory. Okay. So this is the Dalton's atomic theory. Write the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory andre ee 4 points anna baribekagutte. Okay. So this is about the Dalton's atomic theory. Then we came across atomic mass. See, this is also whatever it is in the beginning of the 18th century, but now whatever we have studied is entirely different. Again now correct ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ in the beginning. See what is this? Matter consists of indivisible particle called atom. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, atom ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅದೇ atom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. But when it is development has taken place, science improvement ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. Indivisible, it cannot be divided. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು atom. But atom can be divided as proton, neutron and electron. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So same way, all the atoms of the same element are having the same properties including atomic mass. But nowadays we are studying isotopes. Isotopes are having the same atomic number but different atomic mass. So atomic mass different in there. So therefore it is also failed. Okay. So there is like this, there is some improvement has taken place, but it is in the beginning. So therefore we have to learn that also. Okay. So now let us go for our next concept here, atomic mass. Atomic mass. So how it is defined? Atomic mass ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? For example, if you take out the mass, weight of this duster is 250 grams. 250 grams means how many kgs? 1/4 kg. Okay. So how you are going to say that is a 1/4 kg? because we are taking up 1 kg as the reference. ಆ 1 kg ಇದು ಇಂಥದ್ದು 4 ಇಟ್ಟರೆ 1 kg ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ತೂಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So therefore it is a 1/4 ಆಯ್ತು. Same way, to measure the atomic mass we will require some reference. So ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Based on that we are telling that mass. So atomic mass ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. In the beginning it is taken as a hydrogen as the reference of the standard one. But nowadays we are using a not hydrogen, we are using a carbon 12. Carbon 12 isotope is a reference. So based on that we are measuring it as a atomic mass. Atomic mass unit is earlier we are using a atomic mass unit AMU. Atomic mass. But nowadays same thing, but instead of telling it as atomic mass, it is only U. Unified mass. Unified mass. Okay. Both are same, but instead of earlier we are writing it as atomic mass unit. ಈಗ U ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. U is nothing but same as AMU. So atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit, we are going to consider carbon 12 as the reference. The carbon 12 atom, adana standard. Carbon is having 3 isotopes: carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Adaralli carbon 12 idana reference itkondu. So atomic mass unit is nothing but the mass of an atom, that is 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom. 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 atom, when you multiply that, so that gives you the atomic mass of that atom. So atomic mass unit is nothing but it is the 1/12 the mass of a carbon 12 atom. So that is nothing but atomic mass unit. Okay. So then nowadays it is replaced with the unified mass. Okay. So there is a relation between atomic mass and the unified mass. Write the definition here: atomic mass unit. 1 atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of 1 carbon 12 carbon 12 atom. So this is a 1 atomic mass unit. Okay. So the value of this, if you want to get in terms of grams, so because the mass of our atom is very very small, you can't measure it in terms of a kg. Okay, in grams there are very small number bರ್ತದೆ. Even then it is a grams. So 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit, equal to 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. See, whenever you find any number, just go through the how many scientific, what is the significant figure, how you can write it as scientific notation. So then you will be thorough with that. So if you observe here, how many, what is the significant figure here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures. So ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತವೆ ಆವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಟ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಥರೋ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ I told you it is a unified mass also. So nowadays atomic mass unit is replaced with the unified mass. Then one more relation we can write: number of atoms atoms ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ atoms equal to unified mass. Unified mass means that is u atomic mass into ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. This is unified mass divided by atomic mass. How many number of atoms are there? We can calculate them. Okay, so that is the formula is the unified mass divided by atomic mass. Okay, so I consider the numerical problems of this in the next video. Okay, so note on this: number of atoms equal to unified mass divided by atomic mass.